Hello, today I want to do an update on my top 5 EDC folding knives for 2018. A lot has changed in the last year and only one knife remained in my top 5 from last year's selection. Here you can see just one selection of knives that did not make it into my top 5. All of them are great knives, but not quite good enough, at least for now, to make it in my top 5. It will not be a scientific overview or something very objective. It's my tastes and my requirements change over time. This will be just an overview at this point in time what my top 5 favorite knives are, which I will show you now. Okay, here we go from left to right. On spot number 5 would be the Reeve small Sebenza in the Insingo version. A year ago I didn't think it would make it into my top 5, but after a while it showed that there's a reason why these knives are so popular, and I don't think it's the common or popularly stated reasons like tight tolerances and pivot bushing and whatnot. It's more, for me at least, the Insingo blade shape, which is excellent, and I would say still that this Sebenza is probably the best compromise between in-hand use and in-pocket carry. So it's really designed to be great at both aspects. It's only number 5 because it still has its flaws. It's not as perfect as some people make it out to be. I showed that in my review. First of all, the thumb stud, and of course the price. I still think it's way overpriced, but still number 5 for the small Sebenza. On spot number 4 I chose the Spyderco Sage 5 with compression lock. It's just a great overall knife, good all-rounder. There are many other Spydercos that I could have chosen, like the Native 5, Para 3, but I think the Sage 5 is maybe overall just the best choice, the best all-rounder, and it's not overly expensive for what you get. Then on spot number 3, Vox design implemented by Fox knives, the Fox T.R.E. Great ergonomics, great materials, fit and finished. Just an awesome little knife. Only the blade is a little bit on the thicker side for such a small knife, but still very, very good knife. Then the only knife that remained in my top 5, the Lionsteel T.R.E. It's very flexible, can be set up in different ways. I chose the thumb disc version. It can also be used as a flipper, but it's not great as a flipper, so this is my preferred carry. Very small, lightweight, great performer, great steel, M390, and I like it so much because Lionsteel really paid a lot paid attention to the details here. It's the fit and finish, the chamfering, rounding and texturing is really excellent for a production knife. And the newcomer, I didn't even make a review about this one, but it will come up soon. It's the Spyderco Spydiechef. Maybe you remember last year the only big knife that was my top 5, and it was also my number 1 spot was a Paramilitary 2. Could have also been a Manix 2. You can see they are all in the same size range, but at least for now, maybe because it's a new knife, but for now this is my choice as number 1 spot. Spydiechef. Design is excellent, great ergonomics, and it's the only bigger production folding knife that's also a great slicer. It has a thin blade stock. The only thing that held me back was the steel choice, but it turned out to be way better than expected. So yeah, these are my top 5. Thanks for watching.